Hello and welcome back to Jules Math Tools. In our session today, we are converting an improper fraction into a percentage by using multiplication. And if you're ready, let's get started. So in our session today, we are learning how we are going to change our improper fractions into a percentage by using multiplication. And remember that with percentages, they are always out of 100. Regardless of how large or how small the percentage is, it always sums to 100. So when using multiplication, we're going to multiply our fractions across and then move into our division. So we're not going to be doing any simplifying in this question. It's just a straightforward multiplication. Now, whenever you are multiplying, remember that if you're not comfortable with multiplying a fraction to a whole number, you can always add 1 in the denominator for the 100. And remember that this does not change the value of your number. So let's multiply. So we're multiplying 14 times 100%. So remember that we're multiplying numerator and numerator, and we're multiplying 4 times 1. So 14 times 100% will equal to 1400%, and 4 times 1 will equal to 4. And now we're going to move into our long division to find out what is our percentage for this fraction. So 4 can divide into 1, so we will add a 0 above the 1. 4 will divide into 14 3 times. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 14 minus 12 gives us a remainder of 2. We're going to bring down our 0, changing 2 into 20. 4 goes into 20 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 minus 20 is 0. And remember that even though we still have this last 0, we still have to divide into that because it is still a part of our number. So 4 goes into 0, 0 time. And just to work out the rest of the question, I'm going to go through the step as well. So 4 times 0 is 0, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So my fraction 14 quarts when converted into a percentage is 350%. I remember that we are working with an improper fraction, so you should expect to get a percentage that is larger than 100% because our 14 is larger than our denominator. So we are looking for a number that is larger than 100%. Let's try another example. Feel free at this point, you can pause the video and work out this question for yourself. And then when you are ready, you can unpause the video and work out the question along with me to see if both of us got the exact same answer. Okay, so to begin, we are going to first place our 1 in our denominator. And now we're going to go through our steps. Remember that 11 is multiplied to 100, which is equal to 1100%. 9 times 1 will equal to 9. And then we are going to move into our long division. Dividing 9 into 1100. 9 can divide into 1 since 1 is less than 9. So 9 will divide into 11 once. 1 times 9 is 9. 11 minus 9 will give us a difference of 2. We're going to bring down that 0, changing our 2 into 20. Now we're going to 20 twice. 2 times 9 is 18. 20 minus 18 gives us a difference of 2. We're going to bring down that 0, changing 2 into 20 again. And you should notice by now that we are now working with a recurring number. And our pattern is going to continue repeating itself at this point. So I know that even if I was to add a decimal point, add in my 0, bring down that 0, you'll see that for a third time, we are still caught in the exact same loop with our numbers. I remember with these reoccurring numbers, there is a way to end our division. I'm going to stop here. Put a dash over my 2 to indicate that the 2 is repeating in my number. And my 9 My 11/9 when converted into a percentage would be 122.2%. So make sure that you get some additional practice in, and we'll see you right here in the next video on Jules Math Tools, where we make math easy.